This is a question we get a lot about our security drones. How long can they fly? These are not your store-bought toys that can fly 10, 15 minutes. These can fly upwards of 30 minutes. The factors that go into that primarily are weather and then function. The drone has to fight against wind to maintain a stable platform to give us a good picture. Are we having a lot of movement of the camera, a lot of different cameras switching from thermal to zoom to wide? Are we using the spotlight or the speaker a lot? All those do reduce battery life. Ultimately though, we fly for about 25 minutes on each flight with the drone. If we are monitoring an emergency situation, battery's starting to get low, the drone is programmed to automatically return to the docking station to charge. This will help ensure we have a safe landing. With the drone's capabilities and our mission planning capabilities, we can definitely fly long enough to be able to protect your business.